Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take you through something very simple. You're going to see how you can use Codex like any simple person. So what is Codex? Codex is an agentic tool that was created by OpenAI, the owners of ChatGPT, to ease work. So how does it work? Codex is an agentic tool that helps you to build and ship with AI. So what can you do with this tool? You can do multiple things. Most of the work that we get to do when we are using our computers is at times complicated. There are numerous functionalities that you can leverage when you're using Codex. You can be able to create, first of all, different kinds of elements like documents. You can be able to analyze information. You can be able to create products, web apps, mobile apps. There are different functionalities that you can use, given that Codex has an agentic functionality that lets you create mostly with it looking at the context of what you want to create and being able to create it. So it's a tool that is very given that it's running on the latest models from ChatGPT. So it's a very simple way that is going to help you to ease your work. It's going to cut down on the work that you get to do during the day, but it is also going to help you to cut down on the time that you spend. So one of the things that you're going to have to use for Codex is that Codex is going to solve one of the hardest problems that you can. It's going to really get the context of what you want to solve, and then it's going to effectively build and refine and ship for most of your products in a much more better way. It's one of the tools that has eased my work, and I believe that as we continue, you're going to understand how it works. The other functionality that you're going to see with Codex is that it is designed for multi-agents. So what are multi-agent workflows? These workflows run different kinds of tasks simultaneously. That is running different tasks at the same time, which makes the process much more time efficient for any of the tasks that you might have. Let's say you're having 3 tasks or 4 tasks that you want to run. You can be able to run them at the same time and then wait for the completion of those very tasks, and you can be able to review, which is a game changer. And as I continue, I'm going to take you through how it runs, because as you are working on those tasks, you can be able to even view where tasks started, how they are running, and then if it's in progress, you're going to see that, which makes it much more good, because at least you know that for the tasks that you're working on, you can be able to leverage them effectively well. Let's go here and look at our app. If you don't have the Codex app, it is very easy. You can search for it here, and you can be able to download it. You can go here and search for it and download it for Windows, which is okay, or OS. You can be able to download it and get it. This is how it looks. So when you come here, you can be able to create new charts here, and you can create different kinds of projects. And for the projects, you can be able to create a folder in your computer, a new folder in your computer, and then you can add it from here, or you can add a new project, which makes your work quite simple, so that for any work or any different kind of project that you're attempting, you know the right kind of folder where it is, where you can relate with it even when you're off the tool, which makes the work very easy. The other functionality that I loved about Codex, which is quite astonishing and amazing, is that it can run and offer you different kinds of functionalities. Let's say you're looking to make a sense of what happened. Say you had challenges for your monthly or quarterly sales, and you want to make sense of that information in a visually appealing way. Let's say you can tell Codex that, you know what I want. So let's try this. Can you create a simple HTML code for visualizing earnings with line graph and other charts. So you want something simple. You wouldn't want something that is quite complicated. You just simple. And with this, it can be able to run and give you what you want in terms of the simplicity for anything that you are creating. Also, when you look at, as it is creating, when you look at other functionalities, you can come here and click on the plugins. So what plugins are very setup features, rather it is a setup feature that enables you to understand the context of anything from the very programs that. So you can see features like rather products like Chrome, spreadsheets, presentations. You can see coding tools that are here and coding related plugins that you have that have already been built and they can be used. When you look at the coding, look at a plugin like Expo, which is very good and efficient when it comes to creating mobile apps and web apps. You can also look at things like GitHub and then Vercel. Vercel can help you to host your website even when you don't have a domain, which makes the process quite easy for you to be able to view your website. Or maybe you want to pitch out an idea to somebody, but it's not yet come to fruition as you might want. You can be able to showcase it to someone to give you a second opinion. You can be able to also add on plugins that are going to help you in terms of design. And one of the plugins that is quite amazing for me that I see here, it is Figma, Canva. These ones, I use them on a daily because that makes the process quite easy. The other design tool that is quite amazing, it is Remotion. Remotion is very easy because it allows you to create videos. Also, it can be able to allow you set up the videos and give it more context in terms of the narrations. Also, they have another plugin which is called Hyperframes by Hagen. It's also similar to Remotion, but I can tell you these are plugins that make the process quite much more easy. In terms of the documentations and productivity, you have a lot. You have be able to connect your Gmail to Codex and then get to understand the emails that are coming, understand the context of that, how you can be able to relate with that, which is quite astonishing and amazing. So how do you add on these kinds of plugins? You install them from here. You wait for it to load and then you can be able to install it, which is a game changer for me when you have these kinds of plugins for the tools that we use on a daily basis, and we can be able to connect them to Codex. That makes the whole process quite easy, and that is the reason as why I've fallen in love with this very product. So here is our tool that we created, which is quite simple. So I want to view this. We wanted to view the quarterly earnings in a visually representative way. So this is what Codex has given us. It has given us a very simple HTML visualization of what we wanted. So if you have information about your business, you can add it there and then it can add it in, and you can be able to visualize this in a much more better way. But before I continue, I'm going to call upon the people who have not yet subscribed. I've been checking my analytics and I identified that most of you who watch my videos, you have not yet subscribed. I'm going to call upon you to please, so that we can be able to continue to make these videos for free and allow you to have a better understanding of how you can use AI tools, improve on your productivity, but most importantly, to allow you earn effectively. Thank you. So when you look at this means that this is a free tool that you can be able to use even on a free tier. Yes, they have paid plans, but for a free tier, you can be able to do lots and lots of things that is going to improve your productivity, that is going to enhance how you work. But most importantly, it's going to get you from one place to another because you won't have to let's go back here. I want to also take you to another functionality which is called skills. So what are skills? A skill is like a set of instructions. A skill is like a set of instructions that you create. You create a skill, a set of instructions that you can reuse each time that you get to attempt a particular task. I create videos for YouTube, and my videos have certain kind of playbook that I follow when I'm editing these videos. I can be able to create a skill that enables the editing part of the videos. I give it my audio that I've recorded, makes the process in a much more better way. So that is how skills work. So we also have these in Codex, which makes the process quite amazing and simple. And I believe with these you can be able to improve your work and make your life even much more better, but also work, the productivity of your employees and the productivity of what you attempt to push your mission in life requires tools like Codex to get you from one place to another. Thank you. Let's see you in the next video.